Welcome to the Sound Wellness Academy page in the Wellness Universe Lounge. I'm Sharon Karn of Sound Wellness. I am so excited that you found me here. This is your place to learn all about how sound and music heals. Why is sound and music such a natural choice for us? Well, it's because the human body is a natural resonator for sound. We are deeply and intimately wired for sound, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Sound goes through you. And as it goes through you, it actually physically moves your atoms and molecules. So, in that way, it's a very physical modality. In fact, you're wired for sound not only from your atoms, but to your energetic networks. Another interesting thing about sound is its effect on the nervous system. Sound is actually food for your nervous system. And we all know that there's junk food, there's good food, and there's superfood. Well, it's the same thing with sound. There is junk sound like traffic noise. There's good sound like nature sounds. And then there's super sound, which is what you learn about here. Here's a taste of what's coming up. Join me on Sunday, February 21st for my webinar called How to Create Calm in Challenging Times. So in this webinar, it's free. Come and join me to fill your self-care tool basket with some really powerful and effective ways to calm the nervous system. You'll also receive a couple of my tracks that are extremely effective to stimulate the natural healing ability of the body. And then join me on Sunday, March 21st for an exquisitely relaxing and healing singing bowl sound bath. I invite you to pour yourself a cup of tea, close the door to the outside world, and spend a blissful hour nurturing you. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you soon.